All right, we are ready to test now. So make sure that you are in your funnel. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to go ahead and set up Stripe for testing or a test mode. And that's one thing that's really great about ClickFunnels is that it has this setting or configuration that you can actually test Stripe, for like credit card purchases without actually buying anything. So to get started, let's make sure that you're in your funnel first. Then let's go to Settings. And then if we scroll down just a little, we will see right here Stripe or Stripe account. So let's make sure that we have it selected, and there's our Stripe account. And once you do that, you want to save. So let's scroll down and save and update settings. And once it does this, you have to actually go back. So let's go back to settings. And then we will scroll down and make sure that right now test mode is on for Stripe. As you can see, this was not there before. So we're going to slide that over to on, and we'll go back down and save. And we are now ready to test. So what we can do is make sure that we're right here. We're going to test from end to end, kind of. So we're going to go ahead and make sure that our first page is selected, or our first step. And we're going to click on this button here to preview. And there is our actual, first step of the funnel. So we're going to pretend right now that we are not signing up. So we will just click on this black X, and then we'll scroll down, and then we'll pretend like, oh, we're interested in one of these. So let's pretend we're interested in the shirt. We'll click Get It Now, and this will take us to step number 2 of our funnel. And as you can see up here, it says warning, test mode enabled for funnel with Stripe use test card. They even give you this test credit card number. So what we're going to do is we're just going to copy that, and now we're going to pretend to buy something. So here's a test name, email address, phone number, and address down here, and this is step 1, and this is all the shipping information. So we're going to go to step 2, and now that we're in step 2, we can select an item. And with ClickFunnels, you pretty much only you select one item at a time. It's not like an e-commerce site where you have pretty much a shopping cart. We can just keep on throwing things in the shopping cart. ClickFunnels works a little differently. So if you wanted to let's say add or combine a couple of these items, you have to create a purchase for a couple of them. So just keep that in mind. In this case, let's just go ahead and let's pretend, oh, I want to look at this number 1 dad hat, and click on that. And then as you can see, it brings us to the large view, and it does that with everything that we have down here. So let's just go back up here, and let's pretend we're interested in the shirt. It doesn't really matter. Credit card number, we're going to go ahead and paste our test credit card number in there. The credit card or CVC number, we're going to put anything there, so we'll go with 777. Expiry month and year, we'll make that 2019, so that is legit. And as you come down here, you remember that bump offer we had. We can actually test that too, but for now, let's just complete this order, and we'll test that in a little while. And once we click on that, see it's submitting. And then bam, right now we are on our first upsell. So as you can see on here, we can right now select any item down here for 15% off. So let's go ahead and in this case, let's go ahead and just choose the hat. So we'll choose the hat, And now, as you can see, it takes us to our second upsell because we took the offer on the first upsell. It skipped that downsell page and it just brought us to the second upsell, which is it's really the seller right now is really appreciating what we did because we bought an item and then we also took advantage of the one-time upsell. And now we are on the second upsell, and now they want to give us this offer for just $1.99. So we're going to say, give me the shirt. It's $1.99. We'll click on this button here. And then boom, congrats, order complete. And as you can see on here, it got our mug, our shirt, our hat, and our best dad ever shirt.